All right, so this is the key. And what you need to first do is remove the physical key. So there's a little release button there that you see where my left thumb is. You just have to press and then pull out that physical key. And then at that point, you want to look for a gap. And I'm just going to show a close up here. So you're going to stick a small screwdriver into that gap and then twist up and to the right. And then that's how you release the locking tabs. So I'm just going to demonstrate here. So you get it in position and then you just click up. So there will be like a clicking sound and you'll know. And don't worry, it's a pretty sturdy design. So I just got to get the other side to get the rest of the top off. And so once you get it loose, you just have to pull on it a little bit and then that's how it looks. So that round thing there is the battery, and all you need to do is use your thumb and then push up. And you will need that screwdriver just to give you a little bit of support to get that up and out of the way. Just make sure you don't scratch the circuit board and you're extra careful. So just keep your other thumb there in a way just so it doesn't pop off. And then it comes off like that. And then you just put the new one in, same way you took it out. So get it in position and then press it inward like you see there. And that's it. It's that easy. And then you just have to put the top back on. So you want to start off with the side without the buttons. Make sure it's flush. And then once it's in place, you can then turn it the other way and then press down. And then it should lock in place. And then put your physical key back in and you're done. So you just got to now test it on the vehicle. Just make sure that it works. Unlock. Lock. And you're set. That's it.